Alright, welcome everybody. This is my unboxing video of the iPod Touch and an iPod Touch cover. Now, what happened is my old Samsung broke. Samsung broke, the screen broke, so I decided to go to Apple and get an iPod Touch. So there it is. Let's see what's in the big bag of everything. First, we'll start off with unboxing the cover case for the iPod Touch. In case, very good company. It's clear, very plastic case there. And again, bottom. It's $30. Alright, yeah, cool. So, open this up. Pull it out. Got the back cover nice here, very nice, and then it's got this thing. It's just a little factory stuff. There it is. Just connect like that. And there's plenty of room there. This is very nice. I actually like this bit for that. So, let's get to the unboxing of the iPod. Alright, so now we'll get to the unboxing part of the iPod Touch. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is the front of it, right here. Side. Back. Inside again.
Amazing.
Bottom. And then this half there. It's 8 GB iPod Touch. Very nice. So, start by taking the sticker out here. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. Nice. Here it is. This little back one. Alright. Take it out. There it is. Very nice. Tricky. Alright, so here it is, ready? I'll get back to this guy later. I'll put it on the side here. This says designed by Apple in California. And as we open it up, let's see what's inside. Quick start guide here. Okay. Here we have how to operate basic operations of the iPod Touch. Very nice, I'll leave that over. Have your warranty, product information guide, and the Apple stickers! Oh, I loved. I really wanted these things. They're nice. I don't know if you can see them now, but they're really nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright. Now here is the USB to our connector for the iPod Touch. Ooh, and a little handy dandy cleans off here. A dock adapter. And our famous earphones here. Oh, looks like it fit from out. Alrighty, so. Alright, let's get the headphones here. Let's get these open. Classic Apple earphones here. So very nice. These are very nice. So put that right against here. Our dock adapter here. Yeah, let's talk about it. Polishing cloth there. Just take this off. So there's the polish with the iPod Touch. Ooh. I like it. iPod. soft. So we have that. This is our connector here. USB, or 30-pin connectors like this, iPod Touch. So, product information guide, back. Stickers, yeah, those there. Quick start guide. I'm not going to read this, but it tells you how to sync it, tells you how to operate, and it tells you about videos, songs, and applications, and iTunes Store, and the web, and the mail, and the location, your maps, and then your photos. So that'll come in handy when I want to start this guy up. Alright. Mikhail! Alright, so, ready? Whee! Okay, like that. And we're going to turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Yay, a little apple flying there. I'm so excited. More apple. Everyone tells me this is like takes a long time just to boot up here. So in the meantime, oh, it says it wants to connect to iTunes, so I knew this was going to happen. So we'll take our what happened? We'll take our jack adapter here. And we'll hook it up to iTunes. Come on, baby. Good up. Yeah, I'm hooked up to iTunes now. Ah, I recognized it. Alright. Alright. Ooh. Yes, it says Apple mobile device. Yeah, I know. Alright, so we're in here. Oh, it says slide to unlock. It's 2:31, Friday, December 22nd. Here. Oh my gosh, you found it!
What?
Alright, so.
You turned it on?
Yeah, I'm on the clock here. I'm lucky.
Hold on, slide back.
I wake up every evening with a big smile on my face, and it never feels out of place. And you're still probably working at a 9-to-5 pace. I wonder how bad